सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियर हाचें एक्सपोजिशन आयच्यान सुरू जाता. तर गोंयांत कम्युनल हार्मोनी ही इंडियेंत मेंटेन करपा खातीर दर 10 वर्सांनी जावपी ह्या उत्सवा खातीर गोंयभरांतल्या देशभरांतल्या आनी परदेशांतल्या सगळे सेंट फ्रांसिस झेवियर हे जे मुद्दामून ह्या इव्हेंटाक येवपी लोक हांकां हांव परत एकदां वेलकम करता. ऑलवेज फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट सायडींतल्यान सगळे कॉपरेशन्स ह्या इव्हेंटा खातीर द जज ऑथॉरिटीज हांच्या खातीर सदोतीत पयली आसा, हाज्याय फुडें आसतलें. 45 डेजचो इव्हेंट हो खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन जावचो हाज्या खातीर पुराय आमच्या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनांतले सगळे स्टाफ अलॉंग विथ द चर्च ऑथॉरिटी इट इज 3 म्हणजे 24/7 फॉर 45 डेज दे ऑलवेज विथ फॉर द सर्वीस ऑफ द पीपल.
An auspicious moment in the entire history of India. And holy relics of St. Francis. Of course, through this, the unity of the country, togetherness of the people, a good message is conveying to the entire nation, and our Honorable Prime Minister also very much interested in this church, and he referred it many times. And for Goa is known as a better place for the unity of the people, whether belongs to Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever it may be. The feeling of oneness is there, and our present setup under the leadership of our Chief Minister also trying to level of maintaining it, and that is why for this program also fully cooperated with the Catholic organizations. He tried his level best to make all these efforts as a success, and wide arrangements are made here. So I think this will give a good message to the people of India in all places.